back to Sayler
Daddy Funtime.
Today I'm going to blindfold myself and try to make slime. And I'm pretty sure it's going to turn out good because I know all my feels touches. I've had this stuff for a long time. I've had it more than a month. So I pretty much know what it feels like. I've felt it. And yeah, I'm pretty sure. But my dad's going to move things around.
Yes, once you get blindfolded, I'm going to move stuff around so you won't know.
I'm going to quickly grab that.
You won't know colors and things. You're going to know.
No, but I'm going to know the feel because
right.
I know this is going to be white, of course. And yeah, and this is going to be black, I know for sure, because it's the only one that looks like this.
But the other ones, you're not going to know what color
I'm not going to know which one is which because they're the same container,
so,
unless I open the top and put my
and we're not going to.
I know.
But like I said, once you get blindfolded, I'm going to move stuff around. I'm going to move them around so we don't know. So you can't know.
I won't know any of these colors unless like I add them all, and I'm for sure. But he's going to mix them up. I'm going to wait a couple seconds, and then I am going to start. Okay, let's get right into the video. I'm going to move my hair so it won't bug me because I get super itchy. Like in the back. Wait a minute. Okay. Go
ready?
ahead, Dad. Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to move some things around just so you don't know what's what.
It hurts my eyes.
I don't want you to know what the colors were. Okay. I think you're ready. How many ingredients do you want to put in it?
12.
12.
You write them down, so tell me when I'm done with 12.
I'll tell you when you're done with 12.
I've told my dad the items I want to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and start.
So the white glue will be item 1?
Yes. Say it out loud and please write it down or type it.
Nope, I ain't writing it down.
Add too much?
I don't know how much you want in there. That's going to be part of being blindfolded. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure out if you added enough of stuff.
Yeah, you're going to help me screw things on.
I will.
Hurts my eyes.
Yep.
Hurts my eyes.
It's all part of it.
I think the cloth would have been better. Died too much. My leg. Where's my leg? Okay, thank you. This is what my slime looks like right now. Because rice. I am actually hoping to add rice.
Maybe that's not rice. Who knows?
I know the texture and it's in a bag.
More big glue?
I guess.
Okay. Hey. You were about to pour it on the table. I was about to say something. You're up to 6 items right now, just so you know.
That's 2?
I didn't count that as 2.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
But you got 6.
I'll go ahead and mix it. I'm imagining it's going to be good because of the paints, like my other slimes. But I don't think I'm going to be adding food dye or something. Tell me how it looks now.
It looks like starting to be slime. Well, it just looks like white glue.
The rest of this in there for sure. There isn't any. Dad, can you help me?
You what?
Never mind. It's coming out.
Yeah, that's starting to. There it goes.
How much would that be?
You tell me how much. I don't know how much you're gonna want.
Well, I don't know, because I can't see.
You decide. That's part of the blindfold challenge. Not knowing.
Comment down below if you want my dad to do it with me. I was thinking that. How much items is that?
That's number 7.
I'm gonna release that for a minute. My eyes are closed. I can't see. Oh, that hurts my eyes. Can you give me a different blindfold?
No.
Please?
That's all we got, Sayler.
Please.
Come on, let's just finish.
Can I turn the claw off?
Right now, we're kind of in the middle of something. Let's just finish.
Finish the original one.
The quicker you get it done, the quicker you take it off. Eight items. This will be your 9th item.
Silly string, I'm guessing. No, that is cold.
Your 10th item.
Crap.
What?
I don't know. I don't have enough.
That's your 10th item, so you only need 2 more. That's your 11th item.
I had one more item.
That's what you're supposed to do. 12 items.
No, plus the 12.
I guess so. You can add 1 more item.
I'm only adding another one. This glue, I'm guessing. That's all. Okay, can I undo it?
Do what?
My blindfold? Once I'm done.
I don't know. Is that what we're gonna do?
I guess I'll add a couple more items before I do this. Stop! Hey, give me that. I want to add that. It makes it glow in the dark, so guess what? Stop doing it at me!
I was helping you.
This is a funny joke. Guess that's it. Oh, that hurts. Well, I want to do this with Dad. My spoon's in there. Don't be choking. The spoon is dead. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in there. Oh, I can add some of this. Ew. That might turn out to be okay. Slime. Looks odd. Whoa, remember there's rice in there. It might make it a weird texture.
I guess there's some left. But that was it.
What?
I thought you wanted some extra.
It feels like slime. Let's gum slime. Can I have some more in? And don't shoot it at me. If you do, so help me, I'm gonna get you right here and I'm gonna squirt you. Don't you dare squirt me! I want it. I won't do it. Pick it up now. Right in. Looks like zombie brains again. Like our brains and zombies are like eating it.
Watch the camera. Got it?
Hey. I mostly got you.
I think that one's done too.
Yeah. I reckon.
I've already told you it was done.
I waited until all of it was out. Well, when I thought it was out. That's going to be chalky slime. Time to add this. Our borax solution. I still feel some on me. I'm glad it comes off. Ew. Feels odd, but it's okay. Is that the last can?
No, that was the last of that can.
You have one more glow in the dark. I have more of my pink too. That's gonna look cool. It's gonna glow in the dark. Remember the other one? I had like bits of this. Now I have a ton. So guess what? Most likely gonna go glow in the dark more. This is my daily life. Yesterday, I made like 8 slimes.
Something like that.
I knew I was going to make more today.
It was a slime day yesterday.
Yeah, we did a bunch of things with slime. Big slime. A bunch of this stuff will make it glow in the dark real good. What are you doing? Well, we'll see you when I'm done making this slime. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Bye, guys. Got it mixed up. Yeah, it turned out okay. Yesterday, I added the glow-in-the-dark string, and it kind of looks like this, but less stripe stuff, less green things, and it glue in the dark. So, I thought today to add more. And guess what? It might glow in the dark. So let's go see if it glows in the dark. closer to it because I can't touch anything besides this thing. This is a good thing of slime. You glow it more. Because we added more.
Let me get,
Oh, I'm glowing too.
can't really see it in the dark on the camera.
Open it. Go on back here.
Okay. Still can't see it on camera. You gotta have some light. Oh, it looks kind of.
Oh, it doesn't glow.
Yep.
Well, it glows for us, but I'm not sure if you can see it on the
It has
camera.
some slight glowing to it for us. So.
It has good glowing stuff. And you can still see neon paint in here. You see the blue. You see the pink. You see the yellowish. Mostly you see the pink. There's some yellow to it. But yeah. Well, that's my slime video. Next time we're doing a slime video, Dad will be doing the blindfold one, and I'll do it too with him.
All right, say bye to everybody.
Bye, guys. See you next time on one of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you think this slime worked, or tell Dad, who's behind, that you want him to be in the slime video with you too. What I just did.